All right, everybody, welcome back. And here is a very exciting video. Welcome to the new Lifted Motorsports. We now have the entire building all to ourselves, a full parking lot, lots of storage, tons of space to do whatever we want, whenever we want to do it. And it's going to be really exciting. We're going to have a lot of really cool stuff in and out of here. The whole process of building this is going to be really cool. And it's just going to be a fun process. And so I'm starting this filming journey right now and trying to kind of put it out there and show people what I'm doing and how I do it. I think there's going to be a lot of really cool things to come and a lot of things that people are going to be interested in watching. This is the place. We got all this parking here and over here. You can see where this cul-de-sac comes. That's kind of where my property is and where the road is. And then we have a 4,000 square foot building. This is all my parking here. So everything back here is mine. We got the shipping container, we got a shed. So we got all this room behind the building. Gonna definitely be doing some landscaping back here, trimming some things back, cleaning everything up, making this a nice area for, you know, extra cars to be stored or just, I don't know, anything. Sorry, I'm working on getting a microphone. It's a little bit windy right now, so hopefully when I go inside that helps out. But I've shown obviously the inside of my area before. Which again, excuse the mess. We're kind of trying to take all of this and divvy it up throughout the shop while also rebuilding a lot of things. But yeah, this is obviously my usual space. This couch is for the office. And then now we got this. So we have the new garage door was first step, as you'll see. And I'll throw that and maybe one of the demo projects in at the end of this video. We'll try to make this a couple segments. So garage door is beat up. It's in now. Cabinet is all done. So, or all demolished. There was a big shelf over there, as you'll see. Kind of making this at a weird time, but it'll all make sense a couple minutes into the video. So yeah, before we had this side and was doing all the work on this side, there's a tenant over here. Tenant was falling behind on rent. So, I got an opportunity to take over and I took it. And it is going to be awesome. There can be a lot more, it's just gonna be easier to make content. It'll be a cleaner shop, a more visibly appealing shop. It's gonna be really set up really user-friendly and nice. It's gonna be so cool. Get everything cleaned up. We're gonna get ready to start painting some things. But here's the shop. So here's our whole other bay here. And I also bought the lift, so I got a smoking deal on that. We got an operating lift, baby. And then over here we have the office. So this is kind of what we're working with here. This is going to be a cool hangout area. That big couch out there is going to go right here. Nice flooring done. And then this actually, we're going to wall this off. Leave the window, the door is gonna come out. That's just gonna be a wall. This is going to turn into a polishing room that'll be accessible from the shop. So we'll get rid of this window and put a big double door in right here. Maybe even extend this out a little bit. So yeah, super cool. Have a place to be able to keep all the dust and contaminants contained. This will be a merch room and selling some metal polishes, stuff like that. Then we have a bathroom back in here. Bathroom needs a little bit of love, but we're in the business of giving love, so I don't need to paint them, but I might. We'll have to take some things off and fill some holes, but I'm super excited for what's to come. I think there's going to be a lot of really cool stuff on here, both from building out my dream shop, which I know my previous videos was kind of building my dream shop. But now I don't have to hold back, and now there's no one I need to ask permission for certain things. I can just do it. The place is mine. I can do whatever I want with it. It'll be really cool. This will be, hopefully when we're done with it, a social media worthy shop where I can make a bunch of cool content and cool videos. And like I said earlier, it's appealing to watch them because we're in a nice, clean, updated, fresh shop. And yeah, it should be really cool and really exciting. No more, I went from my parents' garage and stuffing everything I could into the garage, and it was clean and organized, but also kind of messy because there's just so much stuff. To then moving into this side of the shop, and there was so much room for everything, but man, you run out of it fast. And now finally I have enough space where I can have everything wherever I want, all spread out, organized. I can hoard things if I needed to. I can buy extra tools and not have to worry about where am I gonna put it. Everything will have a home, everything will have a spot, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So I appreciate you guys watching. Stick around, stick around. Yeah, man, make sure you do that. You're good, you got plenty of room. You're good, you're good. You're good. You got like 6 feet. You're good. All right, as you can see, garage door is operating. Check it out, baby. All right, so we got the trailer in here now, and we are gonna start cutting this up. It's kind of a shame to have to get rid of it because it's got a ton of money in lumber and steel that was used to build it. It's just kind of pointless for me. So I'm gonna chop it up, throw it in the trailer, get the trailer pulled back outside, and start painting the wall then after that. All right, we are all loaded up now. We got everything demoed. Come in now and sweep everything, get the wall swept. But we are gonna hook my dump trailer up now, pull it out, and get it in the parking spot. It's Tuesday right now. I'm hoping by Friday this wall is painted, everything's cleaned up, and we're getting ready for some floors. So check me out.